Hi everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm going to be making dandelion salad with a bunch of dandelions I have here. This is a beautiful bunch of dandelions. You can also use dandelions that you pick yourself. During the Great Depression, people ate them often because they would just go out and pick them and get them free. One of my uncles loved dandelions and ate them his entire life, and he used to always go in the fields and pick them and get them free. He never paid for them. Nowadays you have to be very careful because you don't want to have dandelions that have been polluted with chemicals. You want to avoid picking dandelions from the side of the road or on anybody else's lawn. You can also buy them, and we bought them at the grocery store. They are very healthy for you. They're full of vitamins and minerals, and they're known as a spring tonic. I'm going to clean these and cut them and make them into a nice dandelion salad. I like to cut the stems off because it's easier to eat without the stems, and Grandpa does not like the stems in his salad. And you have to make sure you wash them really well. So sometimes there's dirt on them, or maybe you could find even a little insect. Here's all the dandelion greens. I chopped them all up now. And now I'm going to be adding some red onion. We love red onions. So good. I'm going to make a quick dressing to go on top. I'm mixing up the dressing. I'm using the juice of a half a lemon. I'm going to add some honey, and I'm not measuring anything. Dandelion can be bitter, so I'm adding something sweet. This might be a tablespoon of honey. Now I'm adding some red wine vinegar, maybe like a tablespoon. I'm adding some olive oil now, and I'm not measuring. And now I'm going to mix it all together. You can add any herbs or seasonings you like. Now I'm going to pour it over the salad. And I'm going to mix it up. You could also add other ingredients to the salad. But back in the Great Depression, they didn't have many ingredients, so this was a basic salad for them. That's how easy it is to make this salad, and if you want, you could add salt and pepper. Grandpa's going to taste the salad. How's it taste, Grandpa?
I don't know, but I'll let you know in a minute.
Okay.
Very chewy. Has a nice little taste to it, but the leaves are chewy.
Well, that's how dandelion leaves are. And they're healthy for you.
They're like an escargot. I think I like it better cooked.
Yeah, I know. You like the dandelion leaves cooked better than raw.
The dressing is nice with the onions and everything else.
Dandelions are very healthy for you. They're full of minerals. And bitter greens are good for your liver. So that's very good.
Okay. They're still chewy. So, Ma, did you buy these or did you pick them from the yard?
I bought them. I didn't pick them from the yard.
Okay, Ma, just checking.